What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mayur. You are watching The Bearded Geek. Well guys, in the last video we saw how can we go ahead and upload a particular product on our BMC page. In this particular video we're going to talk about how can we create that ebook, that bloody ebook or that digital file that we're supposed to sell on BMC page. So I'm going to use Canva over here. The reason I'm going to use Canva for creating a PDF or the document is basically Canva has a feature that I love the most. It allows you to add links on your PDF, which I was not able to figure on other particular tools, like there is Adobe, there is Designer, there is Over, there are a lot of tools basically, but I was not able to figure that particular feature in any other software. So Canva is something which I would highly recommend for you to go ahead and start using for creating this online document or this online product that you want to go ahead and start selling. In case if you don't know, the links are in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out. The moment you go ahead and Canva, I'm just gonna keep this video as short as possible because I think a lot of people do know how can we go ahead and create documents on Canva. I specifically want to talk about that particular feature, about how can we go ahead and add the link so that it becomes easier for the user experience whenever the user opens your PDF account and it's gonna click on that particular name. For example, I show you this particular content. So this is the content. Now link 3 is something which I'm going to hyperlink. I'll just quickly show you. The first thing we need to go ahead and decide is the template. Now Canva is not going to give you an ebook template as such. You can go ahead and select any one depending upon how the particular creator is supposed to look. So I am gonna go ahead and select newsletter option over here. We have posters, flyer, infographic, brochure and newsletter. So I'm gonna click on newsletter. The moment we click on this newsletter thingy over here, Canva is going to give us a lot of newsletter options. You can start by scratch, or depending on your brand color tonality or look and feel, you can select one from the templates. As this is just a demonstration one, I'm going to take a simple fuck looking template, and I am not able to find that out. 1 second. And I'm not able to find the one which I want, so I'm just gonna click on create a blank one. Now this is going to give you a blank whatever canvas. You can start adding the image. Just quickly add something related to marketing. You can search the images. I've searched for this marketing template and I'm just gonna add this. Okay, that's a pro one. Alright, so I'm just going to add this here and I will be rotating that thing to fit it. Right now I know that this is not a best template, but this is just a yellow color that goes with my brand tonality, so I'm just going to use it for showing you guys. Once we have this page created, it's time to add the text. So go on this text button here, click on whatever you want to add, like a heading, free marketing tools. You can select whatever font you want. And what's happening? 1 moment. Alright, so I'm just going to place this thing. I know I'm not good at designing, but however. Then we will add the body text. For example, I have this text. I have the content for my PDF. I'm just going to copy this and start pasting it here. You can select the font size that you want depending on the visibility. बहुत छोटा हो गया यार. This is okay. And just to increase the visibility, I am going to add something white. So go on photos. And I'm gonna randomly select this thing here. Click on this thing, put it on top, so that it becomes easier for the user to read. You can just try and fit this thing here. And we can align it as per this. Now I know it's not looking good. But mota mota, this is what basically we're looking for. I mean, this, of course, you need to add your branding and your logos and stuff like that in your ebook, whatever you're sharing. But this is just for demonstration. Now, the feature that I was talking about is Linktree. For example, if I want a user to go ahead and go ahead and get directed on Linktree. So this is basically I'm gonna select Linktree. Oops. Alright, so I'm gonna select Linktree here and add the link from this 3 dots. So I just need to go on Linktree. So in this particular fashion, like for example, if you're doing some affiliate marketing, or you have some affiliate account with some product, you can start adding your affiliate links on that PDF, mentioning of course that there are affiliate links which are updated in this particular PDF. But you can start earning through your affiliate marketing that way. I'm just going to add that Linktree link here and click on apply. As you see, there is an underline which has come over here. So the moment a person opens the PDF, they are going to get to know that, okay, this is something which I need to click. Similarly for Hotjar, you can add this link. For the ones who don't know what exactly is Hotjar, Hotjar is a tool that allows you to track your website, understand your website users. In case if you're not aware, you can go ahead and check it out. Hotjar.com is the URL. Apply it. And similarly for Hunter. Hunter is basically an extension for LinkedIn. I mean, it's a Chrome extension, but through Hunter you can go ahead and search for the email addresses for LinkedIn users. And the URL for that one is hunter.io. Click on this URL, copy, add it here, and apply. So the moment you go ahead and apply it, this is the mota PDF that we're gonna get. Now the time is to download. The moment you go ahead and download, I would suggest go ahead and download a PDF standard one. एक बार download होने के बाद में you can go ahead and upload the PDF the way I showed it to you in the previous video. So this was the hack about how can you go ahead and create a PDF or a digital file on Canva. I showed this particular video because I like the specific feature about Canva, about adding that particular link. So it makes it really easier for a person to create a PDF in Canva. If you like this video, guys, please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I keep on making this kind of videos on a very regular basis. In the next video, we are going to talk about Patreon versus buy me a coffee. So Patreon is another alternative, which is an alternative for BMC, and I'm going to show you the difference about what exactly is Patreon offering and what exactly is BMC offering on a free basis. So stay tuned for the next video. That is all from my end for today. In case if you want to get in touch with me, there are social media links which are mentioned in the video description. That's about it from my end. So thank you for watching the video. Happy weekend and enjoy your Sunday.